Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Dark Reader extension into your Chrome browser. So the process was very simple. First open the Chrome browser and here in the search box just type here the web store and just hit the enter, and now the first website will come up which says the Chrome web store. Just click on the website to open it. Now here click on the set extension and themes. Now here you can just type the Dark Reader. So when you type it, hit the enter, and now the first extension will come up which says the dark mode dark reader for Chrome. Just click on the extension and now here you will see it has the very good rating which is the 4.5 star. Just click on the add to Chrome and then click on the add extension, and then it will start downloading and installing into your Chrome browser. So this will take some time to download and completely installed. So after that, just click on this extension icon and just pin this extension to your Chrome browser. So after that, now you can use it. So if you click on that, now your the YouTube theme was converted into the light mode. You can also convert it to the dark mode by just clicking on the extension again. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Dark Reader extension into your Chrome browser. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.